If you missed out on getting Solana in its early stages, this might be your second chance. Sui Network is building the foundation for crypto, and I'm going to tell you everything about it in today's video. Hey guys, Foxy is Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are talking about Sui. All right, so we're going to break down some of the news that has happened in just the last week, because there is a lot. We are going to look at market structure and where price wants to go, and then I'll leave you guys to it, right? So a lot of you probably want to know what Sui is, so let me explain what Sui is very, very quickly, and then we will get on to the news, right? So Sui Network is a fast, low-cost blockchain built to make crypto apps like games and NFTs, and they make DeFi run smoothly without delays or high fees. Okay, so it uses a unique tech that has very fast transactions happen all at once, making it a lot faster than other blockchains, right? People and myself like Sui because it's very, very, very easy to use, developer friendly, and it focuses on real world cases, right? And if you're wondering who are some of its competitors, I would say the biggest one is Solana, Avalanche, and Ethereum. And to those three, I think Solana is the closest because Avalanche and Ethereum are both kind of in the past, and Ethereum fees are so insanely high. So I don't really like Ethereum that much, and Sui is more scalable and the fees are a lot lower. So it's looking like the better project than those. So that is the main description of Sui. I don't want to bore you guys with it too much because you probably know a little bit about it already. Let's look at some of the news. And the first thing I want to ask you guys is, do you think Sui can hit this level this cycle? $12. And I think, yes, it can, right? I absolutely think it can. It is currently trading at $2.74. And I think this altcoin cycle, $12 is very, very realistic, right? And I'm going to break that down for you guys later on. So first big thing, Kevin O'Leary, billionaire. I don't even know what businesses he has, but we all know him from Shark Tank, billionaire. He talks about Sui. So that is a good thing. A popular billionaire talking about Sui is more eyes on the project. You can now withdraw USDC on Bybit with 0 fees. So a good partnership there and a good thing for Sui. Sui and BTCfi campaign, right? So this is something I want to describe a little bit because you probably are wondering what it is. And it ends on October 22nd. So what BTCfi is, it's basically, in short, a Bitcoin DeFi, right? So they're trying to bring Bitcoin into a working asset, not just something that you hold, but it's something that now you can trade, right? So not only hold or trade, but things like staking and things like that, because we know that Bitcoin, you usually just hold it, right? But here they want to try to make it into a real world asset. So it's a small little thing that they're doing. It's not insane. There is 3.1 million in rewards on OKX wallet, right? You can see some of the things. Like I said, you can vault and earn rewards, things like that, right? If you want to fully break it down, you can go onto this article. It talks about it pretty in depth and analytically. But yeah, they're basically just trying to bring Bitcoin as a working asset and things you can do more than just trading and holding, okay? Next, we got institutions just got access to Fireblocks plus Wallet Connect, another partnership that was in the last day, I think. And then the universe, it's a game, is expanding on Sui. And this is all in the last week, right? I just kind of wanted to flash some news, some things that they were doing. Maybe it's not the biggest things. I'll probably break down bigger things in my next Sui video, but I just want to show how much they are doing on a weekly basis, right? Because it's absolutely insane and it's very good for a project to do that. So we'll look at market structure very soon and where price is headed, or where I believe it's headed. But for now, Sui is down in the last week 20%, probably to do with the crash, which I'll explain. Market cap is down or up slightly. Volume is down a little bit. It is pretty much listed on every big exchange, and we are 84% bullish. Community sentiment is bullish, okay? So we want to get that to 90%. 84 is not bad. 90 looks better. If you're wondering if I am a holder of Sui, I am a holder of Sui. And let's break down where market wants to go, where price wants to go, right? So this crash, very, very simple. They just wanted to liquidate the market, right? All the buyers here that had their stops here taken out. Same with this, right? These are three major liquidity zones. Everybody got liquidated, all right? They basically did a reset to the market. Market recovered very, very quickly, which is very good to see, very healthy for crypto. And now we are hopefully going to push higher, right? So we can see that there is a little bit of an uptrend, right? We have a higher low followed by a higher low. Now what I want to see here is we make another higher low and then kind of just make a ladder to the upside, right? So if we look at market structure, obviously this is a good buying area. There is a big imbalance in price right over here, right? And we can see price has tapped into it multiple times without closing below it, which shows that it is a strong area of support. So I think this area in this is a good buying zone to the upside. Okay. So if you want to buy, this is a good time to do so. And then we'll be targeting those highs after this has been taken and this has been taken. Whoops, this, right? After these two areas, that is next. That is imminent, right? So it is looking pretty good structure wise. After this big wick, we've kind of gone up a little bit, consolidated more than we have, but we have been going a little bit up, kind of trading in a little box right now. So we will see what happens. We want to see price break out of this zone, and then, like I said, take out those highs, and hopefully price can look something like this within the next couple of weeks, and then months. By the end of the year, hopefully we are taking out these highs. All right, so I am very bullish on Sui. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Is there any other coins you want me to look at review? And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot to me. Make sure you do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.